Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting episode where we unlock the secrets of the English language, one word at a time. Today's word is escape. So, what does escape mean? Well, in simple terms, escape, as a verb, means to get away from danger or confinement. It's about freeing yourself from something unpleasant or risky. It's a very useful word, and you'll hear it quite often in movies, books, and everyday conversations. Think of a prisoner trying to escape from jail, or a cat trying to escape from a bath. It's all about getting away. Now, let's look at some synonyms for escape. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for escape is flee. For example, the family had to flee their home because of the fire. Another synonym is evade. You might hear someone say, the suspect managed to evade the police. A third synonym is avoid. For instance, she tried to avoid getting caught in the rain. Yet another synonym is elude. We could say, the solution to the problem continues to elude us. And finally, consider the word dodge. For example, he had to dodge the oncoming car. See how all these words convey the idea of getting away from something? Now let's switch gears and explore antonyms of escape. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. An antonym for escape is capture. Think of it this way. Instead of getting away, you're being caught. For example, the police were able to capture the thief. Another antonym is imprison. This means to be held in captivity. For instance, the rebels imprisoned the soldiers. A third antonym could be confine. Consider this sentence. She had to confine herself to her room because she was sick. Another antonym could be detain. We might hear, the officers detain the suspect for questioning. And lastly, consider the word arrest. For example, the police arrested the man for driving under the influence. Notice how all these antonyms contrast with the idea of getting away, instead implying being held or contained. Now, let's talk about how you can use escape in your everyday life. Imagine you are at a party, and you are not enjoying it at all. You could say, I need to escape this party. It's so boring. Or if you're feeling overwhelmed with work, you might say, I just want to escape for a weekend and relax. You can also use it to talk about avoiding difficult situations. For example, he always tries to escape responsibility. Another common expression is to escape notice, which means to avoid being noticed. For example, she tried to escape notice by sitting in the back of the room. Sometimes, we use escape in a more figurative sense, referring to an activity that helps us relax and forget about our problems. For instance, reading is my escape from the stresses of daily life. Or video games are his escape from reality. Here are some more examples of how to use escape in sentences and phrases. The bird managed to escape from its cage. He tried to escape the burning building. She had a narrow escape from a car accident. They planned their escape carefully. The prisoner's escape was unsuccessful. He longed to escape the city and live in the countryside. Sometimes I just want to escape my problems. She used her imagination to escape the boredom of her job. They had to escape through a secret passage. He wanted to escape the pressure of his family's expectations. And remember, escape can also be used in the past tense. For example, they escaped the storm by taking shelter in a cave. Or, he escaped from the museum with a valuable painting. Okay, let's recap what we've learned today. We defined escape as getting away from danger or confinement. We explored synonyms like flee, evade, avoid, elude, and dodge. We also looked at antonyms such as capture, imprison, confine, detain, and arrest. We saw how escape is used in everyday conversations and expressions, and we looked at many usage examples. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this lesson helpful and informative. Now, before you go, I have a little request. If you enjoy Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it really means a lot to me. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word escape and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing your English and remember to keep learning. Bye for now.